Verizon Unlimited Plus Plan Review. Today we will discuss about its pros, cons, features, and pricing. Here is my honest opinion. What are the pros? Comprehensive coverage provides access to Verizon's extensive 4G LTE and 5G nationwide networks. This includes high-speed 5G ultra-wideband in select areas, which can be up to 10 times faster than standard 5G. Generous hotspot data includes 30 gigabytes of premium mobile hotspot data, allowing you to share your connection with other devices. High-definition streaming supports streaming in HD quality, enhancing your viewing experience. Discounts on home internet, eligible for discounted Verizon home internet services, potentially reducing your overall bill. International benefits includes calling plans to Mexico and Canada, which can be convenient for frequent international travelers. What are the cons? High monthly cost, priced at $90 per month, making it one of Verizon's more expensive options. No multi-line discounts. Unlike some competitors, Verizon does not offer significant discounts for adding additional lines on this plan. Limited additional features. Some features available in other Verizon plans, such as enhanced entertainment packages or smartwatch data plans, are not included. Let's talk about features. Unlimited talk, text, and data offers unlimited talk time, texting, and data usage, ensuring you stay connected without worrying about overage charges. 5G ultra-wideband access provides access to Verizon's high-speed 5G ultra-wideband network where available, offering faster speeds compared to standard 5G. Mobile hotspot includes 30 gigabytes of premium data for mobile hotspot use, allowing you to connect other devices to your plan. HD video streaming supports high-definition video streaming, improving the quality of your video content. International calling allows calls to Mexico and Canada, adding convenience for international communication. Let's talk about pricing. Monthly cost, $90 per month for a single line. Multi-line. Discounts. Pricing remains the same at $90 per line, with no notable discounts for adding extra lines. Home internet discount. Eligible for reduced rates on Verizon home internet services when combined with this plan. The Verizon Unlimited Plus plan is ideal for users who need extensive high-speed data and premium features, such as HD streaming and a generous mobile hotspot allowance. Despite its higher price, it offers substantial benefits and flexibility, making it a strong choice for those seeking comprehensive coverage and robust features.